Just gotta load the fridge when it's done chilling, and we are on the road. Don't worry, I won't forget you. Yeah, you're going too. Morning. It is September 21st and a beautiful 65 degrees here in Phoenix. Fall is here and I am feeling alive again. So we are going to celebrate fall by doing some cozy fall camping vibes up north. So Gunther's ready and I'm ready. Let's go.
You'll make 2 people miserable and not 4. I was just kidding.
Enough? Here we are, we're looking for this train car. Oh my gosh, it's full of bikers. There is a biker gathering in town, so yeah. Fun. Fun. I actually ended up talking to the owner's daughter, a bunch of customers, so that was a good experience and the timing worked out perfectly. It's already 1:45 and we are on a cultural expedition now to see some ruins. Oh, there it is up on the hilltop up there. You have to wait there, bud. I'll be right back, okay? Bubby. Look what I got you. You're a bark ranger. Congratulations. Oh, wow. I'll carry you down. Whoa. Oh, this is cool. Yeah, I got you. Wait. Whoa. What bird is that? What are you doing, friend? Sit down. Oh, you're awake now. Oh, this is steep. See a sign. Oh, a deer! Right there. Look at that little young buck. Okay, that must be the house. Sides 1 through 6. Straight ahead 7 and 8. Which one's mine? I forgot already. I'm 7. Okay. So we need to go right. I chose it because of this majestic tree. Hey, Bob, you ready to get out of here? What'd you think, pal? So the site is massive, but I picked it because of this absolutely gorgeous ancient cottonwood tree. One thing I'm not super keen on is that the fire pit is all the way over here by the road. I'm sure they probably did that for safety. They don't want it right under a tree. But like right now, it's just right in the sunshine. He is ready to stretch his little legs. I wasn't sure if I was going to take this one or the one I'm in. I don't remember what the deciding factor was, but I'm happy with the one I have. I think it was because there's a trail access over here. Yeah, it looks like there's a trail right here. And I can hear the river. So I see lots of busted mesquite. And if I remember the listing saying that there was plenty of down wood that you could collect. So I might take advantage of that, though I'm always a little anxious about reaching into these random wood piles because snakes and black widows. Yeah, I hear the river, so we're definitely going to check that out. I also see another site there, which is that bell tent. That teepee I know is a site. I don't know if they're occupied so far. I think it's just me, and way down there I see a tent set up. So far, pretty quiet. Just fantastic. Typical. I have his cot set up, laying in this red dust. Sometimes, on the outside, I may seem very calm and relaxed. But on the inside, I am ruminating, constantly turning over in my head the should-haves of the past, the what-ifs of the future. It can get pretty overwhelming. So a big reason I take these camping trips is to try and reduce that mental noise. However, while Gunther is great for emotional support, he is a terrible listener. And while nature is a reliable listener, it's not so great at feedback. The best person for the job is a person, specifically a therapist. And that's where the sponsor of this video comes in. BetterHelp connects you with a licensed therapist who is trained to listen and give you helpful, unbiased advice. As someone who hates talking on the phone, I love that I can just message with my therapist. It's totally up to you if you want to call, text, or video chat on your phone or computer. If you would like to try BetterHelp, you can use my link. Just answer a few questions and BetterHelp will match you with a professional who has years of experience helping people with struggles just like yours. Yeah, I was under the impression that that big guy was it. As far as trees go, I did not know these little ones were here. Or I would just bought my regular hammock, but, you know, I guess it's nice to use the fancy one sometimes. And it has a cup holder. All right, camp is basically set up. I am gonna explore a little. Mainly, I'd like to find the bathroom. Apparently they have a portable here somewhere. There are some people staying in the teepee. So they've got their stuff out. So that is our water. Appears to be a hose and some cleansers under this bosque. All right, I will spare you the interior tour. All right, I can report that they are clean and have been recently serviced. I will leave it at that. All right. All right, while we're out and about, let's see if this trail goes anywhere. She actually did send me some directions. Am I looking at them? No. Oh, javelina poop. What do you think? Can you do it? Should I carry you? I think I'm gonna have to carry him. Good job. Yeah. Oh, wow. There's totally, this feeds into like a pipeline down there. And then this is a gate. Yeah, it's an irrigation ditch. I think this is yerba mansa, which has some health benefits. All right, spent a little time cozying things up. I've been leaving my rug behind because I put this mat in here, which is great for keeping the sawdust and dirt and everything out of the carpet, but it's not cozy. And I had been leaving the rug behind also since I've been storing everything under here, and everything comes out like a drawer. So if I pull this crate out, it it just mushes it up. But I don't pull that one out very often, but I do pull the kitchen out a lot. So I figure if I keep it up here, it won't be a big deal. Also, I'm trying the Kelty blanket again instead of my sleeping bag. Last time I got very cold. It is only supposed to be 51 tonight, but that's about what they said last time. Underneath, I'm gonna sleep on top of my usual wool-like blanket. It's not actually wool, it's synthetic. And then under that, just in case, I have the Temu 12-volt blanket. Other gear upgrade of note, I got a new thing for my clothes. Also, I have the blanket and the under blanket and everything clipped here and on the other side, so I don't get tangled up. And I sleep like a rotisserie chicken. I'm just, woo. Yeah, I got this Osprey Daylight backpack, 35 liter. Yeah, I upgraded from the little zipper organizers. I did bring one, stuck it in here, little mesh organizer cube for my dirties. But yeah, I'm trying this thing out since I'm going on a longer trip. I just want to check it out. I like to try things out at least once. What else? We got one more thing, also related to my upcoming trip. I just want to try things out. So normally, that little cubby is where I put my trash can. Now I have it just a clipped it here, and this is actually a magnet for my phone. And so I got a fancy potty jug. It's a potty jug. It's for going pee-pee. Yeah, that's in there. I need to set up my chair. Yeah, so I think that's it for new gear. I guess there are a couple 4Runner things, and I covered the roof box last time, at least showed it to you. But I also upgraded the lights in here. Those are LEDs because I was just hanging a lantern here, but we have these lights here and they don't take much battery at all, so use them. I did also get the light bar installed. I was gonna show it off tonight, but I don't think my neighbors in the teepee would appreciate it. Anyway, there's a separate video. I don't know if it's after or before this one. It's gonna be about installing that thing, but the fun thing is that I can turn it on with a switch, which I also installed, but we can see how it looks in the daytime. I do have it wired so it's hot all the time. Yeah, so not super impressive in the daytime, but there it is. So gotta remember to turn it off, not drain your battery. That's the only one that's wired to anything, except this one. Yeah. It's a little after 4 o'clock and nearly 80 degrees, and it is just too hot to even think about starting a fire now. So I think it's probably gonna be a late night tonight. I'm gonna need a snackle before then. So our happy hour snack was supposed to be something called savory s'mores, which I've been seeing on social media. And the idea is instead of roasting a marshmallow, you roast cheese, specifically like a little Baby Bell, and then you put it on crackers, put something savory on it, like a hot honey or whatever. But I got some spicy pickles. However, still too hot for me to start a fire. It's just cheese and crackers and pickles at this point, you know. You brought my little roasting fork to roast my cheese. To go with seasonal beverage. This is a solid ground Mai Tai cider. Fall cider, but it's also still hot, so the Mai Tai thing kind of works too. Anyway, let's give it a shot. Crispy boy. Yeah, something's going down in Cottonwood. I enjoy it. This is perfect for this, whatever's going on right now. Here's our cheese and crackers. Yay. I mean, it's cheese. I'm not mad. Would be better melted. Romantic. All right. The sun is occasionally getting behind the clouds, and I am fortified by cheese. So let's get this party started. Obviously, I did go get some mesquite wood from those piles, and then we have the two we bought from the gas station. So yeah, let's get it. All right, just for kicks, let's pretend we're on a loan or something. I'm not gonna do a bow drill or anything like that. I do have some stuff and grass I found. This poor thing is so pitted. Let's see if it even works. Not looking good. For the record, I've never successfully started a fire with that thing. Probably user error, to be honest. No luck with natural substances. Try the wild dryer lint. Oh, dryer lint for the win. Get out of the fire pit. This leaf pile will do it. Beans are still cooking. I haven't quite had dinner. So this was going to be my nightcap. I love apple butter, and there's still just a little bit left in the jar. Anyway, I just put some ice in here. Yeah, this brings me back. We're going for fall vibes. So we're going to spice it up a little bit. To round it out, I was thinking maybe just some club soda and lemon, but then I saw this ginger lemon lollipop first, since that's carbonated. So we got ginger and cinnamon and apple. That is good. That's fantastic. Honestly, we got a hooter out here. Yeah. That's really, that's really tasty. Coyotes are loud and close. It's like midnight. Morning, Bubs. You thirsty? Okay, little Jedi, Padawan. Wanna get out? Come sit by the fire. Sniff around. All right. Whoa. Okay, I think it's done. Bubby. Wanna go home? Alright, gotta put your seatbelt on. You gotta close your mouth so I can get it over your head. There we go. That was a lot of food experimentation, but it was a lot of fun. And yeah, site's cleaned up. I'm gonna hit the road. Hopefully traffic's better on the way home. Here's a souvenir cottonwood leaf. Thank you, nature.